This is the Ford Fusion 2013-2020, and if you need to find the jack, you need to be lucky to have this jack equipped by the manufacturer. So the jack is in the spare tire compartment under the spare tire in my case. It depends on how your spare tire is located, and maybe over it, under it, on the side of it. So you can have different options, but the problem is that in a lot of cases you will not have the tire, because you will have this tire repair kit instead of the jack and the spare tire. If you have this, you will need to buy a jack, buy a donut spare tire, and put it in the trunk. This is the best situation, because using that tire repair kit is not the good idea. You may damage the tire, you may damage the TPMS sensors if you use the tire repair kit. And these repair kits, they are not really efficient. So the best thing is to get rid of the repair kit and put the proper spare tire or the donut spare tire inside the vehicle.